So tonight we are doing dips, many kinds of dips. We have buffalo chicken dip, we have corn dip, we have $1 Million Baby, blueberry goat cheese, chicken salad, and beer cheese. So to make beer cheese, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some cream cheese, add whatever beer you like to drink, we're gonna add that to it. Wait till that gets all nice and bubbly and melted together. We're gonna add our different spices that we like to put in there. Once we have all that incorporated, we're gonna use cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack. Wait till it all comes together, gets nice and bubbly. Presto changeo, you have beer cheese. Not only are we gonna use it as a dip, we're gonna pour it over some chips and use it as beer cheese nachos. Just a good idea.
So tonight, since we have such a wide variety of food and dips, we also have a wide variety of beers. We got everything from golden ales all the way to stouts tonight we're tasting. So a little bit of everything tonight, and we're just seeing what everybody likes.
When I dip, you dip, we dip. Let us know what your favorite dips are in the comments.